Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate calendar app, and when you find it, click on it. If you never used this app before, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it, and then select Got It. Now click on the month above. Over here you need to tap on the date that you wish to set up. In my case, December 1st. Now to create your event you can tap twice over here or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Now click on events over here and select the best option for you. I will go with iPhone and click over here to adjust starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this gray sweater next to all day to disable this feature completely. Then click on does not repeat. From here, select the best option for you if you wish for your event to repeat, like every year. You can also click on Custom and adjust it however you want to. To save it, tap on Done at the top right corner. If you don't want it to repeat though, click on this arrow and tap on Does Not Repeat. Finally, scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. In this pop-up, you need to choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct result. Now change color of your event for it to stand out more. I will go with banana, take some notes, add attachments, and finally save it by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after all of that, my event was successfully created. In order to make some changes, just tap on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can change wherever you wish to, and discard your changes by clicking on this X at the top left corner and choosing discard in the pop-up, or save it by choosing Save at the top right one. Now, to get rid of your event completely, click on it again and select those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!